Common mistakes Bengali speakers make in English. A comprehensive guide. Introduction. English is widely spoken in Bengal, especially in academic and professional environments. However, due to the influence of Bengali grammar, pronunciation, and sentence structure, many Bengali speakers make certain recurring mistakes when speaking or writing in English. Understanding these mistakes is the first step to improving fluency and clarity. This article highlights the most common errors and provides tips for correction. 1. Pronunciation mistakes. A. V and B confusion. Mistake. Base is very useful. Correct. Vazi is very useful. Bengali speakers often pronounce V as B due to the absence of the V sound in Bengali. B. Z and J confusion. Mistake. He is a jealous person. Sounds like zealous. Correct. Distinguish clearly between Z, as in zoo, and J, as in jam. C. Silent letters. Words like no, honest, debt are sometimes pronounced with the silent letters due to unfamiliarity. 2. Grammar mistakes. A. Wrong use of articles. A, an, the, mistake. He is going to school for giving exam. Correct. He is going to the school to take the exam. Articles are often omitted or misused due to differences in Bengali sentence structure. B. Wrong tense usage. Mistake. I am studying here since 2015. Correct. I have been studying here since 2015. The present perfect continuous tense is often confused. C. Incorrect word order. Mistake. I only eat rice. Correct. I eat only rice. The position of words often reflects Bengali syntax, leading to awkward English phrasing. 3. Literal translation from Bengali. A. Using Bengali idioms directly. Mistake. My head is not working. Correct. I can't think properly. Literal translation of phrases like mata kaj karche na leads to confusion. B. Unnatural expressions. Mistake. I am having tension. Correct. I am stressed, or I am feeling tense. Tension in English is not used as commonly as it is in Indian English. 4. Preposition errors. Mistake. He is good in English. Correct. He is good at English. Mistake. She married with a doctor. Correct. She married a doctor. Incorrect preposition use is a very common error for Bengali learners of English. 5. Pluralization issues. Mistake. She has many furnitures. Correct. She has much furniture. Some uncountable nouns in English are mistakenly made plural due to Bengali influence. 6. Overuse of present continuous tense. Mistake. I am knowing him. Correct. I know him. Verbs of perception, know, like, believe, are not used in the continuous form. 7. Using double negatives. Mistake. He didn't do nothing. Correct. He didn't do anything. Double negatives are incorrect in standard English but are used in Bengali for emphasis. 8. Misuse of helping verbs. Mistake. He do not know the answer. Correct. He does not know the answer. Subject-verb agreement is often missed. 9. Gender confusion in pronouns. Mistake. My sister. He is coming. Correct. My sister. She is coming. This happens due to the limited use of gender-specific pronouns in Bengali. 10. Over-formal or outdated English. Bengali medium schools often teach very formal or old-fashioned English. Example, my good name is. Correct. My name is. Conclusion. Most of the mistakes Bengali speakers make in English stem from direct translation, pronunciation issues, and differences in grammatical structure. The key to overcoming these errors lies in consistent practice, exposure to native English content, and active correction. With patience and effort, fluency is within reach.